Hi guys and welcome back. This reading is for the zodiac sign of Taurus. So if you have your sun, moon, rising or your Saturn sitting in the sign of Taurus, this is the reading for you. The first card that I have for you guys is the Ace of Swords. So all my lovely people, all the Taurusians out there who are looking for a job, I see good news coming towards you. I feel like, if you go for an interview, or if you have gone for an interview in the recent past, there are chances you were able to mentally stimulate your person. So whoever was interviewing you, I think they were very impressed by your intellect. They were very impressed by the way you think and the way you answer. So mostly your communication skills, and I feel like that could be the breakthrough that you need. The next card that I have for you guys is the Seven of Wands. So Seven of Wands tells me that despite the opposition, the person might have disagreed with you in regards to certain uh, questions, or the way you've answered, or they could have disagreed with the case study that you must have done for your careers. I'm picking up the vibes of people who are applying for a job and who recently did an interview, and that seems to be very very prominent for you. And the idea here was for you to hold your ground, for you to be true to yourself and be open to opposition and criticism. For all the people who are in a job, also at the bottom of the deck I have the Chariot card right here. So Chariot card talks about your willpower, talks about how you look at things, how much determined you are. Uh, finally, I think a lot of people who were hoping for a relocation, or who were looking for a promotion, I see that happening. But I feel like there might have been a lot of competitors for the same position. So a lot of people could be applying for the same position, or they might have been considered for the same position at you. But it seems like you are the one who's going to be winning this particular situation. And the Chariot card tells me because of your determination, because of all the hard work you do, there is a chance that you are going to get to travel, you're going to get to move to a different country, to a different town, to a different city, whatever it is you want, you're going to get it, because the Chariot is the card of success. So when it comes to your career, your finances, I do see a lot of success is coming towards you. If you have been unemployed, I think within the next 7 weeks, 7 days, 7 weeks, or the month of July, which is again number 7. No, July is, yeah, July is number 7. There are chances of you getting a job. And then we have the Sun card. Now another very positive card, which is kind of confirming that there is travel involved. You are going to be traveling. If not travel, at least you would be dealing with people who are living in the other part of the world. So a lot of international clients, a lot of international negotiation, communication is forecasted for you by my cards. I see a lot of happy times. So if you were concerned about she's lying, I'm not going to get a promotion, well, the Sun card has shown up. So definitely you are going to find success in whatever it is you are doing. And then I have the Five of Wands. I don't know what's up with you, there's so many wands. So the wands card showing up here, it talks again about there's some kind of conflict going on. Despite moving forward, despite growing, I feel like you guys have very high expectations, and there's always going to be some part that doesn't meet your expectations. And again, at the bottom of the deck I have the Emperor card. So Emperor card is that you are again winning. Leo vibe is very strong. Cancer sign is very strong for you guys. So at work you could be dealing with these signs, but in terms of promotion, in terms of success, in terms of recognition as a person, as a leader, as a leader again, that is very very prominent for you guys. The next card I have for you is the Star. Oh my god, Taurus people, what are you doing? You are doing amazingly well. Like your dreams are coming true. You are making extra profits because the Star card has shown up. If you are manifesting cash, if you're manifesting success, that's coming. From work perspective, it seems like a great card. And then I have the Moon card. So Moon card tells me a lot of late nights, a lot of um, a lot of anxiety, a lot of confusion about where things are, how things are. And to support the card, I have this Eight of Swords at the bottom of the deck for you guys. So now let's take a look at the cards overall meaning. So if we look at what's going on at the back. So it seems like you are making progress, but it just seems like there is always something. There's like a little bump in the road. So you get Ace of Swords, which is like finally a breakthrough and a little problem. The Sun, finally a breakthrough, things are going well, there's a lot of positivity, there's a lot of optimism about the future, but again there's some kind of confusion. And then you have the Star card, which is again very high energy card. And then you have the Moon. So Moon is Moon depicts uncertainty. So maybe you get a chance to move, but you don't get a chance to stay there for long. Maybe if you're moving to a different country, it's only for a limited period of time. Or if you're moving to a different city, it's for a limited period of time. And then if we look at these three cards, these three cards tells me right now you're very high on motivation, you're very determined. You have this set list of things that you want to do, and it is because of your own willpower, it is because of your own hard work that you'll be able to achieve this position of an emperor. You'll be able to rule, you'll be able to do whatever it is that you want to do. But at the same time, with the Eight of Swords, it's telling me that you don't want to face the reality. There is going to be some aspect of your work that you don't want to face. um, Maybe there's a ceiling, there's like a ceiling in your company where you can't move up, and you are already at this position, you've already reached the top. You've already attained that position, or you've already learned the skills that you are meant to learn. But you don't want to see it that this company has got nothing to offer you, because this is the card where you find it hard to get out of your comfort zone. So start thinking, Taurus people, what exactly it is that you want to achieve in your life, because this card is blocking you. And this is not the block you want to have, because these things are going great, everything is going great. And if you are the leader, if you are the emperor, or you are the queen, or you are at that position, well, it's time. This could also mean all the people who want to start their own business. They have the skills, but they're just not confident about themselves. And they have this, comfort zone which they don't want to get out, which is why this card is appearing. And this is the overall energy, while the cards at the back represent, what's going on at the operational level. So, this was the reading for you for the month of April. Don't forget to check out your readings by your date of birth, and also your love readings by your zodiac sign. Do let me know if this resonates, and I'll see you guys next month.